So we're gonna go off-road today on the Loon Op Zand off-road event here in the Netherlands. And let's test out my stage 1 upgrades on my Jimny. Last time I ran stock on an event and that was terrible. I have new tires, General Grabber 83s to 1575 R15. The car is now 5 cm lifted with an Ironman lift kit. I installed the raised air intake. I now have here a recovery point, which is welded to the chassis. And here on the rear 2 recovery points, which is welded to the tow bar. Roy, my friend that is here with the Jimny, can tow me out if I'm stuck. This is Roy. And we need him when I'm getting stuck.
Oh shit.
You leave Roy one moment alone and this happens. Roy, where's your wings?
Kijk even onder water.
Oh, mud!
Oh.
Go away, mud! It's like a big traffic jam, but then in the forest. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. One more try. Let's go. Yes! We got it! Yes!
Yes, we made it!
Look how beautiful, guys! Victor,
Yes?
what car is driving in front of
An
us?
Pinskauer 6x6. That's awesome. This was quite a challenging obstacle. A lot of mud and a slippery hill with some step up, so not everyone was able to make it up this hill.
Ja, wat je...
This is
What
the
is
limit
this?
for the all-terrain tires.
What is it?
I don't have mud terrains.
So you couldn't get over the hill?
No. And I don't want to break my Jimny, so... So these two Jimnys are from Susie's place, like the workshop that works on my Jimny if I need like a specialist.
Oh no.
We kept trying to do it to get over this hill for a second time.
Moet dan Arno eens vragen wat voor banden die verkoopt.
Klim er maar uit.
Hij staat hier op die betonnen paal, maat.
Ja, je moet even iemand die je achteruit eraf trekt.
Andersom!
Daar gaat het paaltje.
There's a Russian car broken, so he's gonna help it.
Kan je dat hele stuk missen?
Ja hoor. Wat is het stuk?
Uitlaat is eraf gekomen.
Oh, dat is niet handig.
The exhaust fell down and we fixed it with some steel wire.
What's special about the Soviet car?
That you can fix it with a piece of iron wire and a hammer and duct tape and zip ties if needed. It's always good to help people. We zitten nu achter een bestel eend.
Ja, daar mag ik daar voor. Is dat McDonald's of zo? Sorry service.
Ja, van de pizzeria.
Oh, it smashed my head. Oh.
He goes for it quite fast. It was so much fun here at Loon Op Zand Off-Road Playground. You have like the blue route, the easy route, then you have red routes in 3 stages, so red 1, red 2, red 3. We did some red 1 obstacles with the Jimnys and it was a lot of fun and really challenging. The 5 cm lift really helps. Also, when driving on normal roads, the Ironman lift kit is a huge upgrade for the Jimny. I didn't get stuck this time, so I didn't test the recovery points. I really like the General Grabber 83 tires. It's a good all-round all-terrain tire which fits my needs. For some obstacles on this off-road park it was lacking a bit and I couldn't make it uphill through some thick mud sometimes. My main goal of my Jimny is a little camper and overlander, and for that these upgrades are perfect. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and check out my 3-week Scandinavia trip with the Jimny.